my name is Michelle Teo. I'm the country director for a IT consulting and recruitment company. I came with an open mind. I was expecting, okay, I'll learn a lot, but I've learned so much. The pace was really good. I didn't feel really tired. I get really excited after a day, second day, and now the third day. And I'm looking forward to apply everything that I learned. And it's great. The process flow, the map, the trainers, timing, and also everything is very organized. And I can see a lot of work put into it. Yes. So I've been through some other workshop seminars. After the seminar, you don't see anyone else following up and everything else. The key thing here, I think, is the team. So the team from Beyond Insights, I can see the same kind of culture. People are very passionate about investing, and everyone you talk to, from the admin staff front desk and the coaches, they have gone through same course. They are still investor or trader. So I think any questions or anything that I need, I can ask anyone. So I think that's really helpful. I think execution is the key. So everything you learn from the book, charting and everything else, you still have to execute it. And I think key thing is don't compare. Learn through your own way, right? So apply everything that the formula has given you, the steps, the process, but you still have to execute it on your own and learn it throughout. I think sometimes it's painful because you're thinking, I mean, for us, two-person, it's more than 10K. That's the investment. But if you don't invest now, you will keep losing the opportunity to learn something extra. I did think about getting an MBA. But I was thinking, what can an MBA do for me? Do I go and ask for a pay rise from my boss? Or I invest 10K here and I get, 50 times more eventually.